What's going on, guys? Danny or Wi-Fi Astronaut back here, and today we're going to be talking about making a wholesaler who maybe previously wasn't profitable or may not seem profitable at the start become profitable, right? The steps on how to get there, how to speak to these reps. We're going to go through all of that in this video. Before we do that, I would just like to say thank you for the feedback in my past 2 videos. It's been pretty positive. It's not like overwhelming, but I just didn't expect any good feedback at all. I didn't expect these videos to go anywhere. So it's cool that they are. But anyway, let's get into this one. So the first thing is that you guys need to understand is when you're opening up accounts, and this is for non-brand direct. So I'm only talking distributors and wholesalers, not brand direct. So opening up these accounts, like you've seen in my first video, it's pretty easy, right? Like the layout is there. Once you understand how to do it, it's not hard. So, whether that's on the contact us page or filling out the app or the application on the website, it's pretty straightforward how to open up the accounts. Emailing, calling, filling out applications. That's opening the accounts. As you're doing that, you'll notice that a lot of the UPC lists that you're going to get from the distributors and wholesalers just aren't profitable at the start, right? There could be a list of 30,000 units and 30,000 SKUs, and a few come back profitable running them through software, which again is its own blind spots, and I'll talk about in another video how to properly go through UPC list. But so you'll put in 30,000 UPCs in a Scan Unlimited or Smart Scout, and like a few will come back profitable, and usually they're out of stock. So it's kind of how to navigate these relationships and how to make them profitable. So the first step that I always recommend is sorting through and trying to find things that are in the 0 to 10% margin, right? So you're looking, or 0 to like 5% margin. So you're looking for things that are currently super low margin at what the prices that the wholesaler is offering you. You're going to go through that list, and you're going to find the best selling products between 0 and like 5-7% margin. You find the best selling products in that list. You make a list of it. You see which ones the distributor or wholesaler has in stock, and then you email them or call them, or if you could go in person, that'd be better. But you want to, speak to them, and this is saying like maybe you've already ordered some stuff from them. This is kind of like the relationship is already there, right? So you got to initially already call them before you kind of ask for this stuff. So you find that list, and you find the best-selling ones on Amazon, see which ones the wholesaler distributor has in stock, call, ask, negotiate, and give them your terms up front. So say, hey, I could take 1,000 units of A, B, and C if I could take 1,000 units of A, B, and C if you're able to make this price. Or you say I could take 1,000 units of A, B, and C, net 30, or, prepayment at this price. Is that something you guys could do? Send the invoice, I can pay it today. Stuff like that. Being strong with your comments to them and being showing that you're going to take immediate action always works. So, I always think the prepayment works really well. While net 15, net 30, that's good for us. It's not good for the distributor because they are sending out product without collecting the payment. So usually they would prefer you prepay. However, net 30 is a great way to scale. But I always offer prepayment, whether that's via credit card or wire, ideally credit card, but wire if I need to, just so I can get those products just so I can kind of form an edge over the competition. So I'll offer prepayment a lot if I could get more quantities or a lower price. That's another thing. Offer prepayment to get a lower price. So let's say you negotiated on a product or a list of products at a net 30 terms. Ask how low it could go if you go prepayment. Ask if they could take off a few dollars for prepayment. Another great tip for negotiating with your sales reps and getting lower prices would be by offering to take some of their stale inventory or inventory that might not be moving that well for them. So the point of this is now even some of these products might not even be that profitable or profitable at all. But the point of it is when you're looking at your wholesalers and distributors on a macro level and you're looking at the whole kind of, the whole sheet of what you're selling from them, if you got to take a couple products where the margins are 0%, maybe even you lose a couple dollars each unit, it could be worth it if that will then benefit you by getting a lower price on other SKUs. So by taking slow moving inventory, they might, usually will reward you, if you ask, on other products that are moving more quickly, and long term you'll just make more money that way, and it's a net win for everyone involved. You're taking the distributor's stale inventory, you get better inventory at better prices, everyone's happy. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any comments, leave them down below. Like, subscribe. Let me know what videos you guys want to see. If you guys want to see maybe do some interviews, some other tutorials, let me know what you want. I'm here for you guys. This is a new venture for me, so let me know what you guys want to see. Other than that, Danny, Wi-Fi Astronaut, I'm out. Peace.